guess where I am? Another Carmi. I'm not sure if I'm gonna post this, but if I do post this, hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Obviously, babes, checking in. This is in Elk Grove. This is Hard Park. I think that's the name of it, Hard Park. Their summer finale show. Yeah, so we're gonna see what kind of footage I can get today. Looking fly. Sunflower. Got the forces on. You already know. Okay. You're good.
Okay. Alright, let's hit it. Whoa. There you go. Okay. I guess he knows. Shots fired. you guys ain't ready for this one. You ready? Go! Absolutely all kill. Fast and by performance.